special story all about a meadow. A meadow is a field, a good place for a picnic. This story is called Over in the Meadow, and it's one of my favorite stories because it's also a song. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother turtle and her little turtle one. Dig, said the mother, I dig, said the one. So he dug and was glad in the sand, in the sun. Let me see you dig. Yes, very good, just like a turtle. Over in the meadow where the tall grass grew lived an old mother red fox and her little foxes too. Run, said the mother, run like a fox. We run, said the two, so they ran and were glad where the tall grass grew. Over in the meadow in a nest in a tree lived an old mother robin and her little birdies three. Sing, said the mother, we sing, said the three, so they sang cheep, 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 and were glad in their nest in the tree. Over in the meadow by a tall sycamore, that's a tree, lived an old mother chipmunk and her little chipmunks four. Play, said the mother, we play, said the four, so they played and were glad by the tall sycamore. Do you see what's happening? The numbers are getting higher every time. What's going to come next? Over in the meadow in a new little hive lived an old mother queen bee and her honey bees five. Very good. Hum, said the mother, we hum, said the five, so they hummed and were glad in their new little hive. Over in the meadow in a dam built of sticks lived an old mother beaver and her little beavers six. Build, said the mother, we build, said the six, so they built and were glad in the dam built of sticks. Look at them, they have such strong teeth that they can grab a stick and bring it over to build their little home. Over in the meadow in the green wet bog lived an old mother froggy and her seven pollywogs. Those are baby froggies. Swim, said the mother, we swim, said the wogs, so they swam and were glad in the green wet bogs. Over in the meadow, as the day grew late, lived an old mother owl and her little owls eight. Wow. Wink, said the mother, we wink. Can you wink too? Good, said the eight. So they winked and were glad as the day grew late. Over in the meadow on a web on the pine lived an old mother spider and her little spiders nine. Spin, said the mother, we spin, said the nine, so they spun and were glad on their web in the pine. Over in the meadow in a warm little den lived an old mother rabbit and her little bunnies 10. Hop, said the mother, we hop, said the 10, so they hopped and were glad in their warm little den. Good night, animals of the meadow.